Feast your eyes on the 2026 Honda Fury. We named it the Fury because it commands the road with unmatched presence and performance.
What if I told you this bike looks like a custom-built chopper, rides like a factory machine, and still carries the bulletproof DNA of Honda? Yeah, this is not a fantasy. This is the 2026 Honda Fury. What's up, riders? Welcome back to Biker Wish, the place where real bikes meet real attitude. If you love long forks, low seats, and bikes that turn traffic lights into photo sessions, you're exactly where you should be. Today, we're breaking down the Honda Fury 2026, a machine that doesn't scream for attention, it silently dominates it. Design: pure chopper energy. Let's get one thing straight. The Honda Fury doesn't look like a production bike. That long raked front end, that skinny 21-inch front wheel, the hardtail-style rear, and that low-slung seat hugging the road. This thing looks like it rolled straight out of a custom garage in California. Honda didn't play it safe here. They went full chopper, but without the headaches. No leaks, no unreliable wiring, no custom bike drama. Just clean, aggressive, factory perfection. Engine: torque over talk. Powering the 2026 Honda Fury is Honda's legendary 1312cc V-twin. Is it trying to race a sport bike? No. Is it trying to scare you with crazy numbers? Also no. What it does give you is pure, lazy, addictive torque. Twist the throttle and the Fury just pulls, smooth, deep, and confident. This engine is all about cruising dominance, not spec sheet flexing. And yes, it still sounds mean enough to raise eyebrows at every stoplight. Ride and comfort: long, low, and relaxed. Seat height: super low. Riding position: feet forward, arms stretched, attitude unlocked. This bike is built for chilling on the highway, rolling through the city slow, and making every ride feel like a statement. The suspension is tuned for comfort, not punishment, and the Fury stays surprisingly stable even with that wild front rake. It's a bike that tells you, relax, enjoy the ride, let 'em stare. Tech and features: simple on purpose. Honda didn't overload the Fury with screens and nonsense. You get fuel injection for smooth throttle, reliable Honda electronics, clean analog-style display, ABS for real-world safety. No distractions, no gimmicks, just you, the bike, and the road. Sometimes less tech means more soul. Who is this bike for? Let's be real. This bike is not for everyone. If you want track days, wheelies, aggressive corner carving, look somewhere else. But if you want a bike that looks custom without being unreliable, a cruiser that stands out from every Harley clone, a machine that screams individuality, the Honda Fury 2026 might be your next obsession. Final verdict: should you want one? The Honda Fury is bold, it's different, and it doesn't care about trends. In a world full of copy-paste cruisers, the Fury still has the guts to be weird, wild, and unapologetic. And honestly, that's exactly why it still matters in 2026. So riders, what do you think? Is the Honda Fury a rolling piece of art, or just too crazy to daily ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to Biker Wish for more raw, honest bike content. And as always, ride safe, ride loud, and I'll see you in the next one.
So hit the bell icon and share the video and subscribe the channel and take care of yourself.